It's a strange thing. I've been married 34 years. No, well, I shouldn't have said that's a strange thing and then said it. You're not recording this, are you? I'm afraid so. No, but if you're a songwriter and you're married, there's kind of an expectation going on, you know? And here's the tricky bit. I mean, how many times can you write that love song about, you know? I mean, it becomes derivative after a while, you know? But so there's an ongoing obligation that I circle around to whenever I can find a new way to say the things I want to say. This song I wrote it for our 25th anniversary, and it kind of tells our story. And in the second half, there's going to be a surprise moment where you're going to find out something about our relationship. But try not to gasp so I can continue the song. Some of you who know who I am know. Well, it was raining when I met her on a cold December night, and she was holding her umbrella so I could walk right by her side. Maybe it was the cold weather that took my breath away. Maybe it was the way she smiled that made me feel that way. Now we were often seen together on a sunny afternoon, mirrored in the shop windows along the avenue. Those days so free and easy, they seem to float by like a cloud. I guess that's why I'm smiling when I think about it now. Whoa, we were young and in love, off to see the world on our adventure. Whoa, to be young and in love, to find someone to really love you as you are. Well, we were married in the springtime, and we were parents in the fall, caught in the earth's rotation. See, you did it to me.
Start it over. Hold back now, hold back.
Because we haven't really got to the surprise part yet. Well, we were married in the springtime, and we were parents in the fall, caught in the earth's rotation when those years began to fall. Oh, one after another, they fell like dominoes. And 7 children later, yeah, we watched our family grow. Now we are often seen together, holding hands and walking slow. And if the weather's nice enough, underneath the streetlights glow, where I whisper something in her ear and she pretends to understand. And then we amble home again. Well, I'm such a lucky man. Whoa, we are so much in love. We're still in love after all this time. Whoa, to be so much in love, to find someone to really love me as I am. Well, it was raining when I met her on a cold December night. And she was holding her umbrella so I could walk right by her side. Now maybe it was the cold weather that made me feel that way. Or maybe it was the way she smiled, took my breath away. Oh, now maybe it was the way she smiled, took my breath away. Now I tell you, maybe it was the way she smiled, took my breath away. Thank you. And I even warned you.
It's really hard. It's really hard to, for me being his musical partner for 27, 28 years
And I've
now.
never written him a song. See, this is
He hasn't written me the first song, but he's written his wife one every year, I think. My wife and I have been married 29 years, and I've written her 2 songs. The first one was called Back in the Doghouse. And the second one was called If Mama Ain't Happy, Ain't Nobody Happy. So we have a little bit different relationship.
but it's working.